How to play Guess Who.
Sut I chwarae Guess Who?
Appearance questions.
Cwestiynau am ymddangosiad.
Does your person have long hair? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy berson di wallt hir? Oes, nag oes.
Does your person have short hair? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy berson di wallt byr? Oes, nag oes.
Does your person have no hair? Yes, no.
Ydy dy berson di'n foel? Ydy, nac ydy.
Does your person have a beard? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy berson di farf? Oes, nag oes.
Does your person have a mustache? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy berson di fwstash? Oes, nag oes.
Is your person wearing glasses? Yes, no.
Ydy dy berson di'n gwisgo sbectol? Ydy, nac ydy.
Is your person wearing a hat or a head covering? Yes, no.
Ydy dy berson di'n gwisgo het neu orchydd pen? Ydy, nac ydy.
Does your person have earrings or visible jewellery? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy berson di glyslysau neu enwaith yn weladwy? Oes, nag oes.
Does your person have blue eyes? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy berson di lygaid glas? Oes, nag oes.
Does your person have brown eyes? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy berson di lygaid brown? Oes, nag oes.
Does your person have green eyes? Yes, no.
Oes gan dy berson di lygaid gwyrdd? Oes, nag oes.
Colours.
Lliwiau.
Blue,
Glas.
brown,
Brown.
green,
Gwyrdd.